This video is about multiplication of 2-digit by 2-digit. That is, how to multiply 2-digit number by 2-digit number. That is, 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication is easy, right? You can do it like this. So let's start with this one. 1 times 7, 7. 1 times 7, 7. Now you need to multiply by this one. This one is in tens column, ones column, tens column. So ones column will have 0 as a placeholder. 1 times 7, 7. Then 1 times 7, 7. Now at last you need to add 7. 7 plus 7, 14. Write 4, carry 1. 7 plus 1, 8. And this is the result or product. How to multiply this 2-digit number by this two-digit number? So 8 times, let's start with 8. 8 times 3, 24. Write 4, carry over 2. Then 8 times 1, 8, plus 2, 10. So write 10. Then you need to multiply with this 1. 1 times 3. 1 times 3, that gives you 3. Okay, let me change my pen so that I can minimize it. 1 times 3, 3. 3 will come to the tens column because this one is in tens column. So ones column will have 0. 1 times 1, that gives us 1. Now add 4, 3 plus 0, 3, 1 plus 1, 2. 34 is the answer, right? So how to solve this 2-digit by 2-digit multiplication? Let's start with this one. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 6, 6. Then let's start with this 2. So first place will have 0. 2 times 0, 0. 2 times 6, 12. Now add 0, 6, 2, 1. And this is the result. So this is the way to multiply a 2-digit number by another 2-digit number.